Welcome to the Coca-Cola factory, where the magic of one of the world's most beloved beverages comes to life. The air hums with activity, a symphony of sounds that tells the story of dedication and hard work. Conveyors snake across the factory floor, carrying bottles that will soon be filled with the refreshing taste of Coca-Cola. This is a Coca-Cola factory, a place where a global icon is born, crafted with precision and care. Every day, millions of bottles are filled with the world's most recognizable beverage, ensuring that the classic taste reaches fans everywhere. From here, they travel to every corner of the globe, bringing joy and refreshment to people of all ages. The journey from simple ingredients to refreshing drink is a marvel of modern manufacturing, a testament to innovation and tradition. Join us as we venture inside and witness this remarkable process from start to finish. The scale of the operation is breathtaking, a true testament to the power of teamwork and technology. Rows of gleaming stainless steel tanks stand ready, each one playing a crucial role in the creation of Coca-Cola. Automated machines whir and click, tirelessly performing their tasks with unmatched precision and efficiency. The air is filled with the sweet scent of caramel, a tantalizing hint of the iconic drink being created, a sensory delight. This is a place where precision and efficiency reign supreme, ensuring that every bottle of Coca-Cola meets the highest standards of quality. The journey begins with the arrival of raw materials. Truckloads of sugar, gleaming white, are delivered. Each shipment is carefully inspected. Only the highest quality sugar will do. Next comes the water, the lifeblood of the beverage. It is rigorously filtered and purified. This ensures its clarity and taste are beyond reproach. Perhaps the most intriguing ingredient is the secret syrup. Its recipe is a closely guarded secret, known only to a handful of people. The syrup arrives in unmarked containers. Its precise blend of flavors is the heart of Coca-Cola's unique taste. These essential ingredients, carefully selected and meticulously sourced, are the foundation of the Coca-Cola experience. The ingredients converge in giant mixing tanks. Here, the magic truly begins. Water, sugar, and secret syrup are combined in precise proportions. This ensures consistency in every single bottle. The mixture is then carefully blended, ensuring a homogeneous solution. Giant paddles churn the liquid, creating a swirling vortex of flavor. The air is thick with the aroma of caramel and citrus. It's a sensory overload, a tantalizing preview of the final product. The mixing process is a delicate dance of science and art. It transforms simple ingredients into the beverage enjoyed by millions worldwide. While the ingredients are being mixed, another fascinating process is underway: the creation of the iconic Coca-Cola bottle. Molten glass flows like liquid fire. It is then carefully molded into the familiar, contoured shape. Each bottle is inspected for imperfections. Only flawless containers will carry the Coca-Cola name. Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, PET plastic pellets are being transformed into lightweight, shatter-resistant bottles. These bottles offer a convenient and sustainable alternative to glass. The creation of the Coca-Cola bottle is a testament to innovation and design. It's a package as recognizable as the drink it contains. Section 5. A ballet of precision. The filling machines dance. Now comes the moment of truth, filling the bottles. The star of this show is the filling machine, a marvel of engineering. It operates with astonishing speed and accuracy. Bottles whiz by on a conveyor belt, each one receiving the precise amount of Coca-Cola. The machine's robotic arms work tirelessly, filling bottle after bottle with the refreshing beverage. The air is filled with the hiss of carbonation. It's the sound of refreshment being bottled. The filling machine is a symphony of motion, a testament to human ingenuity. It ensures that every single bottle of Coca-Cola meets the highest standards of quality and consistency. Section 6. Sealing and freshness. Capping and labeling. Once filled, the bottles move on to the next stage, capping and labeling. With a satisfying click, each bottle is sealed with a tamper-proof cap. This locks in the freshness and fizz. Next, the iconic Coca-Cola label is applied, a symbol recognized around the world. The labels are applied with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring each bottle is perfectly presented. The capping and labeling process is a flurry of activity. It's the final touch in the transformation from simple ingredients to a finished product. Now, the bottles are ready for the final stage of their journey: quality control. Section 7. Guardians of Quality. Ensuring excellence in every drop. Coca-Cola is renowned for its unwavering commitment to quality. This dedication is evident in every step of the production process. Before any bottle leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous testing. These tests are designed to ensure that every bottle meets the highest standards. Samples are randomly selected and scrutinized. This random selection process ensures that every batch is thoroughly checked. Everything from the beverage's color and clarity to its carbonation and taste is checked. Each attribute is meticulously analyzed to maintain consistency. Only when a bottle meets the highest standards is it deemed ready for distribution. This rigorous process guarantees that only the best products reach consumers. The Quality Control Lab is a hive of activity, with technicians meticulously analyzing every aspect of the product. Their expertise ensures that no detail is overlooked. Their dedication ensures that every sip of Coca-Cola delivers the same refreshing experience, no matter where in the world it's enjoyed. This consistency is what makes Coca-Cola a favorite worldwide. It's this commitment to excellence that has made Coca-Cola a global icon. From the factory floor to the store shelves, every step is taken with care to ensure quality. Section 8. A Sustainable Future. Coca-Cola's green initiatives. Coca-Cola recognizes the importance of sustainability. The company is committed to reducing its environmental impact. One key initiative is the use of recycled materials in its packaging. Coca-Cola is also working to reduce water consumption in its factories. These efforts are making a real difference, proving that a global company can also be a responsible citizen. From using renewable energy sources to supporting community recycling programs, Coca-Cola is taking a multifaceted approach to sustainability. It's a journey of continuous improvement, with the goal of refreshing the world while preserving its resources for future generations. Section 9. From Factory to You. Completing the journey. This is the final chapter in the incredible story of how Coca-Cola reaches you. The journey that began with simple ingredients carefully selected and blended has come to an end. These ingredients are the foundation of the iconic beverage we all know and love. The finished bottles, gleaming under the factory lights, are loaded onto trucks. Each bottle is a result of meticulous craftsmanship and dedication. They will soon be making their way to stores, restaurants, and vending machines around the world. These trucks travel far and wide, ensuring that Coca-Cola is available wherever you are. Soon, someone will take a sip and experience the refreshing taste of Coca-Cola. That moment of refreshment is the culmination of a long and intricate process. Behind that single sip is a complex and fascinating process, a testament to human ingenuity and a commitment to quality. Every step, from mixing to bottling, is carefully monitored to ensure perfection. It's a journey that takes place every day in Coca-Cola factories around the world. Thousands of workers contribute their skills and expertise to make this possible. So, the next time you enjoy a Coca-Cola, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to you. Remember the dedication and effort that went into every bottle, making each sip special.